This is the NAO brand LED Headlight Kit. It's available in a variety of different bulb sizes to fit different vehicles. This happens to be a 9006 bulb. The bulbs are 72 watts for the pair, or 36 watts each, and they're 7600 lumens. They have an aluminum heatsink, and they're fan-cooled. Let me take them out of the box, and then I'll show you the difference between the old halogen lights and these lights in the car. In the box are just the lights, and here's one up close. You can see the LED on each side just like that. The heatsink on them is aluminum, and there is a little fan in there if you can actually see. The wires are nice and metal braided, which is very nice. And the plug over here has two prongs, which is what this 9006 bulb uses. Depending on the car, they may have them wired differently. So you may find that when you connect these, they don't work. And if that's the case, all you do is unplug it, turn the connector upside down, and plug it back in. Okay, here's the car that we're going to be upgrading with the LED light kit from NAO. These have the standard halogen bulbs in them. This happens to be a 2000 Toyota Camry. You can see the headlights are, you know, not in the greatest shape. They've been around the block a few 100,000 miles, and it just has the regular halogen light inside. I don't know if the camera will focus on it at all, but this doesn't tell you much, so I'm going to do one better. This is what it looks like with the car that's parked further ahead on the street there with the regular halogen headlights. But now I'm going to show you what these headlights actually put out. What I have here is called the Lux Meter, and this is going to give us a number on the display. The number isn't going to mean much to you or I, but all you do need to know is that the larger the number, the brighter the light. So I'm going to put the sensor up to the existing halogen headlight, and we're reading about 150, 140, 160. So we'll call it about 160 or so, just to be on the safe side. Now we're going to put the LED lights in. Okay, here's the low beam headlight bulb, and with this 9006 you just twist it. I don't know which way, apparently that way. And then you wiggle it, and it will come out. Okay, you don't want to touch that glass capsule with your bare hands, because that can cause it to burn out, although we're replacing them anyway. And now what we need to do is unplug the bulb from it. There's a clip here that you need to push in on, and that will allow you to release the bulb. Okay, for this, we squeeze down over here and wiggle the bulb, and it comes right out. Okay, now you just stick the bulb in there, and you just sort of wiggle it around until it goes in, and then you're going to give it a twist. You have to just get the ears on it lined up, so I'm just going to fidget with that for a moment while I get it just right, and then it clips into place. Okay, here's the new connector, and you just plug that in. Which way it's going to go, again, it'll fit both ways, but just plug it together, and if it doesn't work the first time, then take it out and flip it upside down. Well, here's your difference so far. You can tell immediately that the one on the left, the new LED bulb, is considerably brighter than the halogen. So let me replace them both. We'll get the Lux Meter one more time. Okay, both LEDs are in, and it's a little misty tonight, as you can see. Here it is here, up close, and you can just barely hear the fans. They're not very loud. That's the one on this side here, but you'll never know that with the engine running, and even just standing back here like this, I can't even hear them. And here's how the car ahead looks once again with the LED lights now. You can see there's a marked improvement in brightness. Now let's compare that to the reading on the Lux Meter. Okay, here's the Lux Meter test. Put it right there, and we're getting 400 or 500, something like that, 540, compared to about 160 before. I think that's a huge improvement on the brightness of these bulbs. Excellent. So once again, this was the NAO brand LED Headlight Kit. for a total of 72 watts, 7600 lumens. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.